Hello guys, so we're leaving the apartment and we're going to give you a little house review, Airbnb review of the place. So this is the place. It has one big living room with two Moroccan style sofas, nice table, it's big, and it has a small patio, small terrace. And right in front there's a meat shop, which is excellent, really good. And they use gloves, they have coolers, they're really nice, the prices are nice, a bit expensive because it is very clean and very organized, but we got a lot of meat from there and we enjoyed it very much. So this is the living space, the living room. And then over here we have the kitchen where you have everything you need. Yeah. Very nice kitchen, indeed. We used it a lot.
A lot, yes.
And then we have the bathroom, where you have a huge bath, and a washing machine. And believe me, when you're traveling, you're going to need a washing machine.
Yeah.
It's not that easy to find laundry places in Morocco. And when you do, they are a bit expensive. They charge per item. So if you have a laundry machine, you can save a lot of money and headache. And the sleeping quarters, huge bed, very comfortable. A closet to put everything you need. It's a big sleeping space. And here we also have
Another balcony.
another small balcony leading to the outside. Yeah, another small balcony.
Everything was super clean.
Everything was super clean. The host lady is extremely nice. We had a little problem with the gas, and she came the same day with a professional and she fixed it, so there were no more problems.
Yeah.
And she's really caring. She always asks if you need anything and if you can help in any way possible.
She speaks only Arabic and French.
Like everybody in Casablanca.
But she knows how to use Google Translator. So she's a very modern lady.
Yes.
And I mean, this is the mom, because the real owner of the Airbnb is the daughter, but the daughter was in Chile. Oh. So the mom is super amazing, and when we arrived here, everything was,
Clean, organized, everything we needed. So we really enjoyed our stay here. This place we're paying about 30 euros a night, including taxes, including everything. It seems to be like 30 euros is the price for Airbnb in Morocco, because we paid more or less 30 euros everywhere we went, which is an excellent price. You get a full apartment, and for hotels you pay more and you get something smaller, not as comfortable. I definitely recommend using Airbnb in Morocco because the apartments are really nice so far everywhere we went.
And if you're traveling with kids, you are gonna actually be very grateful to have a place for the kids to move.
Definitely, We've been a few nights in small places and all of us went a bit crazy because there was not enough space. But when you take an apartment, you don't have that problem. And the location is in a place called Ma'arif, which is an excellent area in Casablanca, close to everything. We overpaid for taxis a bit, but taxis cost here between 20 to 30 dinar. We pay between 40 and 50 dinar because we're tourists. Plus, I always give a tip. Let's say we say 40, at the end I give him 50. And for us, it's not a big deal, but just so you know, the prices are between 20 and 30 dinar, including tip, almost from any point in the city to another. It really doesn't matter. It's a big city, but still the taxis in Morocco are cheap. So we overpaid a little bit. I guess we can call it a tourist tax, which is fine for us. It's no big deal. Another euro or two. In Valencia, which is also cheap, for €1 or 2, they don't take you anywhere. The price starts with 3 euros the second you get in the cab. So it's fine, but just so you know the prices.
They have also other means of public transportation. They have a tram, but 8 dinars.
But nobody uses it. Nobody uses it. For tourists, you'll use walking and the taxis. Petite taxis. The red ones, petite taxis, those are the ones.
Are red.
In Casablanca, they're red. In Casablanca, they're red. In different cities, they're different colors. In Chefchaouen, everything is blue.
Yeah.
But here it's red. They're called petite taxis, and they're what everybody's using. Okay. Other than that, all you need to do if you take this apartment, you ask the taxi driver to drop you at McDonald's Ma'arif, and the apartment is about 5 minutes from it. You'll find it because the meat shop that I showed you before is right in front of it,
And it's pretty famous.
which is it's very famous and it's very convenient.
Yeah.
Okay, other than that, Casablanca is an interesting city. It's a big city, very busy city, not the cleanest city. The sidewalks are full of holes, so walking with a stroller was a bit of a challenge. So if you're coming with a stroller, maybe you should think about bringing a baby carry-on if you're coming to Morocco. Next time we'll definitely do that. But even if you're with a stroller, it is possible. It's extreme strolling, but hey, you know, you get used to it. We got everywhere we wanted to be. So we have been all around Casablanca, walking, by the way. So we've seen almost everything. Nice city. We did have fun. Will we come back? Probably not. If it's your first time in Morocco, definitely you have to come visit Casablanca. If you've been to Casablanca before, then maybe you agree with us that one time is enough. If you don't, write in the comments and tell us why we should come visit again. Maybe we will.
Yeah,
who knows?
maybe
we've missed something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But we still had fun. So we'll see you in our next destination, which we're not going to say where it is, even though we did talk about it in previous videos. Now, we do apologize for not uploading videos like we said we will, but that is not our fault. The Wi-Fi in Morocco, the internet in Morocco is painfully slow.
Yeah,
You should know that it's very slow. Maybe if you take a 4 or 5 star hotel, you will have good internet. We don't know. We don't stay at 4 or 5 star hotels. But in the Airbnbs that we've stayed so far, all of them, the internet works good enough to watch YouTube, let's say.
Yeah.
But not much more.
Check your WhatsApp.
Check your WhatsApp.
And that's it. But uploading or downloading.
No, forget
things,
about it.
It's,
Forget about. Don't even
no.
try. Don't even try.
No. You're gonna.
Don't even try.
You're gonna get a headache.
It's just frustrating. But we do promise that the second we get a functioning internet, maybe at the next place, who knows, we will upload a lot of videos. We will post everything that we have, and we have a lot.
A lot. So you're gonna be overflown by
Okay, guys.
information.
So we'll see you at our next destination. And if you like what you see, please comment, like, and subscribe. It's very important to us.
Yes.
And so we'll see you at the next place.
Yeah. Keep with us.
Yeah. Nos vemos.
Nos vemos y nos
Y
vamos.
nos vamos. Adiós.